Hello everyone, I'm now in the city of Jinghong, Xishuangbanna Dai Autonomous Prefecture in southwest China's Yunnan province. I'm standing with crowds of Dai people who are ready to celebrate the grand water splashing festival, which also marks the start of the new year in the Dai calendar. Now, before the most exciting part of the water fight fiesta, we can now see young Dai girls are collecting water from the river. It is the prelude of this most important festival of the Dai ethnic group. Dai people often take the water splashing festival as a time to pay tributes or give thanks to water, river, and the fertile land that have nurtured their culture. Dai often call themselves a people of water. In Jinghong alone, there will be 100,000 people gathering at the central square to celebrate the grand festival. By splashing water on each other, people want to wash away the bad luck in the previous year and welcome the new year of happiness and good fortune. It is believed that all the bad things must be thrown away on this very special day. So, the better the luckier. Not only in Jinghong, actually almost all the counties and villages across the whole Xishuangbanna are holding water-related festival and activities. Now you can see the video footages captured by our colleagues in Mengla County. As the festival also marks the new year of Dai's calendar, we can expect some spectacular dance performances from the local people. With a population of more than 1.3 million, they mainly live in Yunnan's Xishuangbanna Dai Autonomous Prefecture and in the Dehong Dai and the Jingpo Autonomous Prefecture. Dai are exceptionally good at singing and dancing. With a history of over hundreds of years, the water splashing festival usually falls around mid-April, during the new year of the Dai's calendar. It is the most important event for this ethnic minority in China, similar to the Songkran festival in Thailand. It usually involves 3 to 5 days of celebration that include sincere yet light-hearted religious rituals that always end in everyone having a really good time. The fiesta has just been declared to open, marking the climax of the whole festival. We can see that people are gathering at the central square in Jinghong City, Xishuangbanna Dai Autonomous Prefecture in southwest China's Yunnan, to celebrate the grand water splashing festival. People are using various kinds of weapons to throw water at each other to express their best wishes and New Year blessings on the New Year's Day of the Dai's calendar.